The World Health Organization has issued a stark warning about a potential resurgence of COVID-19. Governments worldwide are urged to ramp up surveillance and boost hospital capacities. This alert comes on the heels of increasing cases among Hajj pilgrims. In Zimbabwe, recent deaths of public figures from flu-like illnesses have raised alarms, though the government denies any connection to COVID-19. Health officials stress the importance of personal protection, masks, hygiene, and staying informed. The virus remains unpredictable, and our collective vigilance is crucial. Stay safe, stay prepared, and remain vigilant. This is a developing story. Subscribe for updates and share this video to keep your community informed. Don't forget to like, comment, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any updates from Zim News Live, YTS. See you next time.